Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, there seems to be a big misunderstanding that seems to have happened with the event. I don't want to say it was Sabelo's event. Remember that poster that Sabelo put out where it was like a culinary experience / business experience, and then people started saying, no, we're gonna come because we're going to support Usbariwe to and whatnot. And yeah, so it seems to be that there are fans that expected to see Usabelo there, and Usabelo was not there. Now, guys, on behalf of fans, I kind of understand where the misunderstanding was. I don't think there was much clarity because I remember when I did the video, I remember being confused whether it was Sabelo's event or not. But if you go back to my video, I did mention that Usabelo, you see those chef shirts that they wear, the one he was wearing, the emblem or the logo he had on his shirt and the logo of the company that was actually hosting the event was not the same. And that was that was what I kind of noticed. And based on that, I then concluded that I don't think it is Usabelo's event. I then said that I thought that he was one of the chefs that were going to be hired or something like that. But it was not clear, you guys. So Usabeno again now put up a status that said, let me set this straight. Nah, Plated Sunday is not my event, and I never mentioned that I will be attending. Only my friend from Immortal Kitchens asked to collaborate with me. We don't know as the public. That's the thing. You can't assume ukuthi abantu bazokwazi. If you collaborate with the person, we thinking like that's how I'm saying. Me, myself, and I didn't even. I was confused, but just because I saw the logos that are not the same, I then concluded that he's gonna be that it was indeed a collaboration. I thought he was actually gonna be them. Usabelo now just because people have been complaining and saying, Wuti, you promised us that you're gonna be there. I mean, I also thought I did a video not so long ago, and I thought we were going to be seeing snaps of Vuyokazi and Usabelo at that event. But he then goes on to say that I never mentioned that I will be attending. He might not have mentioned it, you guys, but I think it would have just been fair to kind of clarify to people and not allow people to go along with their thoughts which they're going to see Usabelo with them. He goes on to say, I never shared my banking details for donations. He says, stop bullying me, my wife, and Vicky. So I think Vicky and Vuyokazi are the ones that showed up. Remember that video where Vuyokazi was looking pretty or all dolled up? I believe she was going to the event, but she showed up at Vicky. So I guess people have been bullying Vicky and Vuyokazi about this whole thing. He goes on to say, I don't have fans and I'm not a public figure. Only my wife is a public figure. Ngicela singajwayelani. One thing about Usabelo, you guys, this is not going to let anyone, because abanye abantu guys bayadelela. One thing, and I don't think he would be putting this out there if people were being cordial or people were being respectful about it. I do think some people were just being borderline disrespectful. But one thing Usabelo has made it clear time and time again when he posts statuses, you guys, is that he will not allow the public to bully him, and he will not just keep quiet, because he did say he doesn't get paid by viewership or fans or anything like that. And he goes on to say here that he is not a public figure, you guys. So anyway, we did see screen grabs from Vuyokazi, or you should be seeing the screen grabs from Vuyokazi. I believe she was at that event. And then the event, that company did release a statement, you guys. On the statement, it says clarification regarding Chef Olani and the Plated Saturday in Ini. Basically, they're clarifying that it has come to our attention that there has been misleading claims suggesting Chef Olani was scheduled to attend the event. But basically they clarified that he was not supposed to attend the event or something like that, and that Orlando is in the United Kingdom. He is furthering his culinary skills. He will be in South Africa in Inim. They go on to say, we urge the public to stay updated on Chef Orlando's official social media channels for verified Ndondon and whatnot. But basically they released the statements just for clarity. Yeah, guys, I'm just like, yo, guys, you see this thing of, I don't know, maybe as fans, maybe I should ask you guys, when you say you're going to support someone, because I know people were saying we supporting Utolani, because they thought it's Olani's events, guys. They bought the tickets because of Utolani, because of Usabelo, because they knew that that's Vuyokazi's husband. When you saying you're supporting someone, are you? I don't know. I don't know. I'm all I'm saying is that I kind of get where the public is coming from. And I do feel like there should have been some sort of clarity. But at the same time, I want to ask that as the public, when you're saying you're supporting someone like that and they don't show up, does it hurt your feelings? Are you there for the culinary experience? Because for me, support something that that you're gonna benefit from, like, or were you just there, or were people just there for the vibes? I know there's some of you that are listening to this that actually got to attend the event. Tell me, what was your feelings towards it? I mean, your favors there, Uvuyokazi, is that not enough? But anyway, guys, let's park it right here. Tell me what you think about this whole thing. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.